finally took Sicily. Roy said it took 38 days, but I'm not counting. It's different than the training at Fort Riley. Nobody can really be prepared to get shot at. We won, but we lost a lot of good men. Thank God for McKay. He kept me and the boys going all the way through Sicily. I hope I can be half as good if I'm ever a CO. He'll probably be at battalion command by then. We'd certainly get along better than the generals do. Buckram and Norton have been at each other's throats since we landed at Jella. Roy's been taking bets on who's gonna get punched first. My money's on Norton. They were so busy trying to prove each other wrong, half the damn German army got away. They'll be waiting for us on the mainland, no doubt. Italians surrendered the moment we kicked them off Sicily, though. The civilians are practically hugging us in the streets. They're happy to have their homes back. One of them looked just like my great-aunt Donna. I watched her pry a rifle off a dead German, then walk off like she was gonna hunt down Mussolini herself. If she's half as stubborn as Aunt Donna, I wouldn't put it past her. We got word yesterday that a new theater commander's arriving. They'll be prepping us for the next set of landings on the mainland. I pray they aren't an empty uniform. It's a long road to Rome.
Welcome to Italy, Commander. Unfortunately, our British allies have allowed the Krauts to retreat to the mainland.
I think you'll find, General, that the British forces played their role to perfection. Perhaps you should look closer to home for the cause of the operation's shortcomings.
Now listen here, Clarence. It was your insistence on operational prudence that got us into this situation.
Commander, where General Buckram and I do agree is that we must follow the Germans and make our way to the Calabria region of Italy as soon as possible.
The Germans are retreating north. We need to catch them, then hit them hard.
Our advance force is leaving for Calabria, sir. Sir, we're sending an advance force to Calabria to lay the groundwork for the landings at Salerno and Taranto. The company will be under your direct command.
Soldiers, orders have come in. Stand by.
The men are doing the best they can, sir, but they'll need to rest before they can advance much further.
Commander, there's a key town up ahead. Capturing it will free the local Italian people and push the Germans back.
Stand by, soldiers. Orders received. Don't let them advance!
Sir, capturing Tropia will allow us to bring more troops ashore to solidify our hold in Calabria. That should be our first priority.
Commander, I appreciate Norton's love of ports, but I like to look at the bigger picture. Capturing Chittenova will keep the pressure on the Germans. We should head there first. We can get to Tropia later, Commander. Capturing Chittenova will let us keep hounding the crowds. That's what we're here for. That's the right call, Commander.
We've been given our orders.
The damn Krauts aren't gonna go quietly. We're gonna need more time to capture Chittenova.
Yes, sir. We are ready to carry out our orders.
Chittenova is ours, Commander. It's a good first step on our road to victory.
Good evening, Commander. Your troops are a welcome sight. We've been getting tired of all that sauerkraut.
Now that we've sated General Buckram's thirst for territory, we should secure access to supplies by capturing Tropia.
Soldiers, prepare to carry out our orders. Soldiers, command has issued orders. Get everything packed and ready to move. Look sharp, gunners. We have our orders.
We have naval support on the way, sir. They may be able to speed up our capture of Tropia. That should clear out any lingering German forces. We should now use our company to capture Tropia.
Gunners, we've received our orders. Yes, sir. We are ready to carry out our orders. Confirm the enemy.
Tropia is under our control, sir. The port will allow us to bring in more men and strengthen our grip on Calabria. Sir, we should put the port to use by requisitioning another company.
Look sharp, gunners. We have our orders.
We've got a new company on the way, sir. Once it arrives, we will be able to continue our advance.
We've got reports a German company is trailing just north of Pizzo, but we don't have their exact position. We need to find them before they can reinforce.
The Germans are on the run, sir. We could go straight up the roads and hope we're faster, or we could transport a company from Tropia to get a head start. Right away, sir.
We got a mission, Airborne. That's our grid point. I'll lead. Time to work for Uncle Sam, boys.
Soldiers, orders have come in. Stand by. Focus on the task ahead.
Paratroopers standing by. Airborne squad reporting.
We've got eyes on that enemy company, and they're looking weak. We need to hit them now.
Looks like we'll be working for a living. Let's give Jerry a greeting that he ain't never gonna forget. Heads up! We got orders!
We only need one unit to hunt down that enemy company. Our other forces could do some good by securing those other towns. Understood. We'll send one company after the enemy troops, and use the rest to liberate nearby towns. There's some thick forest terrain up ahead. We can use that to conceal our advance or stick to the roads for the fastest travel.
Gunners, we've received our orders. Enemy engaged.
Order coming in, boys. Get to it. We got orders.
Good news, sir. We've recovered a cache of supplies that was apparently abandoned by the retreating forces.
Soldiers, prepare to carry out our orders.
When needed, boys. Pay attention. Yeah, paratroopers are on it. What's the mission?
Stand by, soldiers. Orders received. They're opening fire!
Time for some action. Back up your gear. We're heading out. Paris here. Give us something to do. Let's do some good, boys.
The Germans are still retreating, Commander, but they're weak. We'll find them again, and when we do, that'll be the end of them. There's a major port up ahead, Commander. We should capture it and consolidate our forces before continuing our advance up the mainland.
We've been given our orders.
We're up, men. Stand by. All right, gang. Let them have it. Look alive, airborne. Come on, that means us. Look alive, airborne. Give it to him. Pay him back in spades.
Soldiers, command has issued orders. Come on, we're moving out now.
We're up, men. Stand by. Marching's why I joined the damned airborne.
Soldiers, prepare to carry out our orders.
Paris here. Give us something to do. Kill those bastards. Plug every kraut you can. We got a mission, airborne. Paratroopers, Jet. You want I should carry you? Move out.
Commander, it looks like your people could do with a hand. We'll be right there.
Soldiers, command has issued orders.
What's the mission? Looks like we'll be working for a living.
That's Catanzaro captured. The enemy is on the run, but there's no way we could catch up to the entire German army like this. Hold tight at Catanzaro so our reserves can catch up. We're planning further landing operations up north at Salerno and Taranto to cut off the retreating Axis forces.